Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have a special treat for you today. My husband and I are visiting the Amish store. This is a little community nearby us, and whenever I run out of spices and different things like that, I like to get them at the Amish store because you can buy them in bulk, and they have a lot more of an assortment than my typical grocery store does. Now, this is a place just a few miles south of us. Now, since they don't take too kindly to cameras, I just brought my phone in and I snapped a few pictures. So these pictures are going to be a little bit different and probably a little small, and I apologize for that. But this just gives you an idea of what's in the store. They have everything from shovels to food. This store happened to be so busy on the day that we were there, so we didn't stay there long. We just quickly gathered up the things that we needed, paid for them, and then left. But we are going to another store, so let's go there. And on the way, why don't you just enjoy the scenery? Here we are at the next store. Now, this store is a lot closer to us, and we usually frequent this one just about every Saturday. Now, they're not quite as big as the first store, but they do have quite a few things. And the back of the store is furniture. So it's all Amish made furniture, and this furniture is so nice. You won't find anything like it anywhere else. Both of these stores are heated with wood heat, so you'll see wood stoves in each of the stores. This one, I laughed because they had a little puddle of dirt sitting in front of it that somebody didn't finish sweeping up. Okay, so let's head home so I can show you everything we got today. And God said to Abraham, "As for you, you shall keep my covenant, you and your descendants after you, throughout their generations. This is my covenant, which you shall keep between me and you and your descendants after you." That very same day Abraham was circumcised, and his son Ishmael and all the males of his house, born into the house and bought with money from a foreigner, were circumcised with him.